When it comes to multiplication and division of directed numbers, there are only two situations: when the signs in front of the two numbers are the same, meaning the signs in front of both numbers are positive, or the signs in front of both numbers are negative. And the other situation when the signs in front of the two numbers are different, meaning the sign in front of one number is positive and the sign in front of the other number is negative. So let's look at the first situation where the signs in front of the two numbers are the same. So we have positive 2 multiplied by positive 5. So the signs in front of the two numbers are the same, being positive. So the answer will be positive 10. Now we have negative 2 and negative 5. So we can clearly see sign in front of the 2 is negative and the sign in front of the 5 is negative. Therefore, the product will be positive. So the answer would be positive 10. Now let's look at division. So I have positive 6 divided by positive 3. So the signs in front of both numbers are the same, being positive. So the answer would be positive. So I will get positive 2. Or we can write 6 divided by 3 and the answer would be positive 2. Now in this question, we can clearly see sign in front of 6 is negative and the sign in front of 3 is also negative. So the signs in front of both numbers are the same. So when we divide it, our quotient would be positive. So we'll get positive 2. We can also write it as negative 6 over negative 3. So the answer would be positive 2. Now let's look at some situations where the signs in front of the two numbers are different. So we can clearly see that the sign in front of 2 is negative and the sign in front of 5 would be positive. So the two signs are different, so our product would be negative. So we'll get negative 10. Now let's look at another situation. This time the sign in front of 2 is positive and the sign in front of 5 is negative. But still we have the signs in front of both numbers are different. So when we multiply the both of them, the product would be negative. So let's look at a situation where we have division. The sign in front of 6 is negative and the sign in front of 3 is positive. So the signs in front of the two numbers are different. So our quotient would be negative. So we divide negative 6 by positive 3 and we would get negative 2. Or we can write the same thing as negative 6 over positive 3. The answer would be negative 2. Now let's look at another situation with division. We have a positive sign in front of 6 and a negative sign in front of 3. So when we divide these two numbers, the quotient would be negative. That's because the signs in front of the two numbers are different, one being positive and the other being negative. So our answer, our quotient, would be negative 2. We can also write that as 6 over negative 3. That is equal to negative 2.